SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6.7-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.